Good morning, students. Now we have understood that how to find the zeros of a quadratic polynomial. Now let's understand cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Let us consider a cubic polynomial ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. Since it is a cubic polynomial, so it will be having a 3 zeros. So let alpha, beta and gamma are the zeros of the cubic polynomial. Therefore, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c upon a, and alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d upon a, or this is equal to minus coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x cube this is equal to constant term upon coefficient of x cube, and this is equal to coefficient of x. This is equal to coefficient of x upon coefficient of x cube, and this is equal to minus constant term upon coefficient of x cube. Okay, now if we are having a cubic polynomial of the form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, then the sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta plus gamma, is equal to minus b upon a, or is equal to minus coefficient of x square upon coefficient of x cube, and sum of the zeros taking 2 at a time, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, is equal to c upon a, that is equal to coefficient of x upon coefficient of x cube, and product of zeros alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d upon a. This is equal to minus constant term upon coefficient of x cube. Now let's understand this concept with the help of an example. Let's understand this concept with the help of an example. Verify that 3 minus 1 upon 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial. Px is equal to 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3, and then verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So how to solve? Let's compare the given cubic polynomial with ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, and this is 3x cube minus 5x square minus 11x minus 3. So at the place of a it is written 3, at the place of b it is written minus 5, at the place of c it is minus 11, and at the place of d it is minus 3. Now first of all we have to verify the zeros of polynomial. So P3 is equal to 3 into 3 cube minus 5 into 3 square minus 11 into 3 minus 3. So this is equal to 81 minus 45 minus 33 minus 3, and this is equal to 0. Now P of minus 1, so this is equal to 3 into minus 1 cube minus 5 into minus 1 square minus 11 into minus 1 and minus 3. So this is equal to minus 3 minus 5 plus 11 minus 3, and this also becomes 0. Now P of minus 1 upon 3, so this is equal to 3 into minus 1 upon 3 cube minus 5 into minus 1 upon 3 square minus 11 into minus 1 upon 3 minus 3. So this is equal to minus 1 upon 9 minus 5 by 9 plus 11 by 3 minus 3, and this is equal to minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3, and this is equal to 0. So since P3, P1 and P minus 1 upon 3 all comes to be 0, so 3 minus 1 and minus 1 by 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial. Okay, now let alpha is equal to 3, beta is equal to minus 1, and gamma is equal to minus 1 upon 3. So alpha plus beta plus gamma, this is equal to 3 plus minus 1 plus minus 1 upon 3. This is equal to 2 minus 1 upon 3. This is equal to 5 by 3, and this can be written minus 5 by 3, and this is equal to minus b upon a. Okay, now alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, this is equal to 3 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into minus 1 upon 3 plus minus 1 upon 3 into 3. So this is equal to minus 3 plus 1 by 3 and minus 1. So this is equal to minus 11 by 3, and this is equal to c upon a. Now alpha, beta and gamma, this is equal to 3 into minus 1 into minus 1 by 3. So this is equal to 1, or we can written it as minus 3 by 3. This is equal to minus d upon a. Okay, hence it is verified. Now students, since alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b upon a, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to c upon a, and alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d upon a. अगर रिलेशन को वेरीफाई कर अगर हम इस चीज़ को वेरीफाई कर दें तो समझ लेना कि ज़ीरोज़ ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल और कोफिशिएंट्स को हमने वेरीफाई कर दिया है. नाउ लुक हियर, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma alpha is equal to c upon a, and alpha beta gamma is equal to minus d upon a. Hence the relation between the zeros and the coefficients are verified. Okay.